Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in for another Market Outlook by Exness. My name is Andreas Mistukleus, trading specialist here at Exness, and in today's video we are going to be checking on a possible trading idea for the week ahead, the narratives behind it, and which economic data could potentially affect this trade. But before we proceed, let's check on the performance of last week's idea. The idea was for a buy on Euro-USD pair with a target around 1.12. The idea was completely accurate with the price trading over and above this target. Now for this week, we are looking at Euro-Yen pair for a potential buy trade with a target of around 165, but only if it manages to break above 163.5. The price has found sufficient support around the 160 price area, which was made up of the psychological support of the round number, the 50-day moving average, as well as the lower band of the Bollinger Bands. It has since corrected to the upside and has recently made a bearish pullback, and it's now just above 162. The area of 162 is a somewhat strong technical support level, which consists of the 61.8% of the daily Fibonacci retracement level, as well as the psychological support of the round number, so it might hold strong and manage to push the price to the upside in the short term. The area of 163.5 is a major requirement in this week's idea because it's the short-term high that was achieved in mid-March and needs to be broken to have potential to reach the target of 165. The main narrative for this idea is the weakening of the Japanese 10-year bond yields, which could be supporting the currencies traded against it, while at the same time the euro yield curve has seen some supporting moves in the last months. At the same time, some important economic data that are set to be released this week from Japan and Europe are expected to create volatility in the pair, thus making trading the pair quite interesting to say the least. Publications on the economic calendar like the Japanese balance of trade, the European Central Bank interest rate decision and subsequent press release, as well as the Japanese inflation data, are what caught the pair's traders' attention for this week. So in summary, the trading idea for this week is a buy on Euro-Yen pair with a potential target of around 165, only if it manages to break above 163.5. The main narratives are the weakening of the Japanese bond yields compared to the European ones, as well as the major publications on the economic calendar that will create volatility for the pair, creating the conditions needed for significant moves. The economic data that investors need to pay attention to are the Japanese balance of trade, the European Central Bank's interest rate decision, and the Japanese inflation data. Remember, this is not a signal, it is just an idea for a trade, it's not a guarantee of success. Always do your own research and remember to manage risks.